All right, we straight. Thank you.
Do something. So you been out here all day?
Well, I ain't been here all day. I just got off work at 3.
Okay.
So I came back and was like, dang, I still got to get in my car.
Right.
So
I think that did it, but more damage on this side. Wait. You got a spare key already?
No, I don't. You make those?
Yep, I do.
You do?
Yep.
You see, I was trying to get in here. I got a damn everything I can.
I didn't see it all. Golf club.
Do emergency automobile lockouts. And you was the first one that popped
First
up.
one? Appreciate it.
Yep. I'm damn sure about to do a Google review.
Thank you, man. Oh, yeah, let me give you
customer service. I'm big on Google reviews. I'm big on promptness, professionalism, all that. So I appreciate you.
I appreciate
I'm definitely
you.
holler at you to get me a
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
We'll do the car swap thing.
Oh,
do
yeah.
Home improvement.
Okay, I see the shirt. I was about to say, hold on, man. Appreciate it, man. Guy named Joe. That's what's up, man. Man, I love seeing other business owners, man. For sure, bro.
Thank you.
Take it easy now.
Let me call you though, because I need my key. I'm gonna get a key.
I got
I'm
you.
gonna try and get a fob too.
Yeah, let me know. All right, then, bro.
I appreciate you.
No problem.